Dear students, welcome back. So today I am here with one more problem on hire purchase system. So we are going to solve today illustration number 7. So that is City Taxi Limited purchased 2 Indica cars on 1st January 2015 from Tata Motors under hire purchase basis on the following terms. So what are the terms he has given? Number 1, the cash price of each car was rupees 3,15,000. So what is the cash price of each car? 3,15,000. So then how many Indica cars have been bought? 2 cars. So then while calculating cash price, what we are supposed to do? Each car price, that means 3,15,000 into number of cars purchased, that is 2 cars. Okay, you have to multiply by 2 that 3,15,000. Point number B, that clearly says amount payable on taking a delivery is rupees 75,000 on each car. So while taking the delivery, how much you are supposed to pay? 75,000. At the time of taking a delivery, if I am paying 75,000, that is nothing but a down payment, correct? But 75,000 is on each car, he clearly said. So that means how many cars we have bought? So we have bought 2 cars. So that means 75,000 into 2. So that comes to 1,50,000. Then moving on to the point number C, clearly says balance of cash price is to be payable in 3 equal annual installments along with interest at 9% per annum, and City Taxi charges depreciation at 10% per annum under reducing balance method. See, there is a interest he has given. Interest rate of interest is 9%. At the same time, he has given a depreciation. The rate of depreciation is 10%. Clear? So now the depreciation is charged under reducing balance method. What is that means? Reducing balance method, that is nothing but a written down value method or diminishing balance method. Clear? So the same terminology, just they are calling in different names. Clear? Reducing balance method, written down value method, or reducing balance method, or written off method. So whatever he says, so that is the same meaning. So that is a written down WDV method. Okay. So now let us do the solution part for this problem. So first we are supposed to do a working note. So let us look into the working note part. So calculation of cash price, down payment and the balance which has to be paid on installment basis. So that we have to calculate. Clear? So now let us calculate cash price of cars. So 3,15,000 for each car. How many cars we have bought? 2 cars. So then 3,15,000 into 2, that comes to 6,30,000. So cash price of the cars, 2 into 3,15,000. 2 into 3,15,000, that comes to 6,30,000. Less down payment made. For each car, the down payment has been made 75,000. Correct? So less down payment. How many cars? 2 into what is the down payment made at the time of taking a delivery? 75,000. So mention 2 into 75,000, that comes to 1,50,000. So deduct it, 6,30,000 minus 1,50,000. So you're going to get the balance to be payable on installments is 4,80,000 rupees. Correct? So now this 4,80,000 rupees to be payable in 3 equal annual installment. That is what he said in the problem. Clear? So when it is annual, equal annual installment, so you have to total balance divided by number of installments. So each installment equals balance payable divided by number of installments. So what is the balance payable we have? 4,80,000. 4,80,000 divided by 3. So that comes to 1,60,000 rupees for each installment. So each installment how much? 60,000 rupees. Clear? So now we are done with the working note part. So now we are moving towards a preparation of ledger account. Clear? So let us open Indica car account. So with 6 column, that is date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees. So now we are preparing Indica car account. Clear? So Indica car account, so this ledger account always we start from the debit side. So debit side, take that 1/1/2015 to Tata Motors account. So to Tata Motors account, how much? The total cash price of the cars. So that is 6,30,000. Clear? 6,30,000, which includes the cash price and down payment. Clear? So 6,30,000. How you got? 3,15,000 into 2. That comes to 6,30,000. Now go to the credit side. 31/12/2015 by depreciation account. So what is the amount? Total value of motor car. So that is Indica car, 6,30,000. So open the bracket, 6,30,000 into rate of depreciation. How much? 10%. 10 divided by 100. So amount column takes 63,000. Same closing date, by balance carried down 5,67,000. So total both the sides 6,30,000, 6,30,000. So now on the debit side, on 1/1/2016, to balance brought down. What was the last closing balance? 5,67,000. Now brought down the same 5,67,000 to the debit side. So now 31/12/2016 by depreciation account, 5,67,000 into 10 divided by 100. That comes to 56,700 rupees. So by balance carried down, that comes to 5,10,300 rupees. So when you total both the side, you are going to get 5,67,000. So next on 1/1/2017, to balance brought down. How much left out on the credit column? 5,10,300. Brought down that amount, 5,10,300. So on the credit side, 31/12/2017 by depreciation account, 5,10,300 into 10 divided by 100, 51,030 rupees. So now find out the balance carried down figure. 5,10,300 minus 51,030, that comes to carried down figure 4,59,270. See, in the previous problem we have done the statement for 4 years, but in this problem he only clearly specifically said the problem has to be solved for only 3 years. I'm done with the 3 years, that is 15, 16 and 17. Now whatever the difference amount is there, that I am broadening it down and leaving. So 1/1/2018, to balance brought down 4,59,270 rupees. Clear? So now you got the balance figure for the 4th year. So now let us move further towards the next account, that is Tata Motors account. Clear? Tata Motors account. So this Tata Motors account, we always start from which side? Yes, credit side. So we always start from the credit side. On 1/1/2015 by motor car account. So how many, what is the cost price each car? 3,15,000. Open the bracket and write 3,15,000 into 2. 3,15,000 into 2. How much you got? 6,30,000. Clear? So you got 6,30,000. So next you have to calculate interest for the same. So on 31/12/2015 on the credit column only, by interest account. So how much is the interest? So 43,200. How much and how? 43,200. So the cash price, total price of the cars is 6,30,000, but we have made the down payment. While calculating interest, we are not supposed to include the down payment amount. Down payment amount is always excluded. So if you get confused at this point, what you can do is very simple. On 1/1/2015 by motor car account, 6,30,000, that is 3,15,000 into 2, credit side you have done. So now come back to the debit column side. 1/1/2015 to bank account, down payment. So that is 75,000 into 2. So that comes to 1,50,000 rupees. Clear? So 6,30,000 minus 1,50,000. So on the rest amount, that is 4,80,000 into what is the rate of interest? 9%. So 9 divided by 100, that comes to 43,200 rupees. How much interest? 43,200. So now total the credit side. So credit side you are going to get 6,73,200. So again come back to the debit side. On the last day of the year, that is year end date 31st/12/2015, to bank account. So that is interest we know 43,200 plus what is the installment amount I am supposed to pay, that is 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 plus 43,200, that comes to 2,03,200. How much? 2,03,200. So now deduct, that is out of 6,73,200 minus 1,50,000 down payment minus 2,03,200, that is first installment paid. So the balance is 3,20,000, that is we call it as a balance carried down. So how much? 3,20,000. So that we got closing balance on the debit side. So that should be brought it down to the debit side. So next year, that is 1/1/2016, by balance brought down 3,20,000 and 31st/12/2016 by interest account, open bracket and write 3,20,000 into 9 divided by 100. So that comes to 28,800. Now total both the side, that is credit side, both the amount that is brought down and interest account, that comes to 3,48,800. So now go to the debit column. So debit column side 31st/12/2016 to bank account, second installment, open the bracket. What is the interest we have identified? Absolutely correct, 28,800 plus 1,60,000. So how much you are going to get? 1,88,800. Clear? So now 3,48,800 minus 1,88,800. So the left out, that is balance carried down, will be 1,60,000. So both the side total 3,48,800, 3,48,800. So next on the credit column, 1/1/2017 by balance brought down 1,60,000, by balance brought down 1,60,000 rupees. So on the year end 31st/12/2017 by interest account, that is 1,60,000 into 9 divided by 100. So that comes to 14,400 rupees. So we got the interest 14,400. Now total both. So the total you are going to get is 1,74,400 rupees. So now go to the debit side, that is 31st/12/2017 to bank account, open the bracket. What is the interest amount you got? 14,400 plus 1,60,000 is the last installment. So when you total it, so you're going to get 1,74,400. So both the side the total has been tallied. So no balance left out to do the brought down or carry down function. Clear? So that means we are done with the Tata Motors account, as he has asked for only 3 years. So within 3 years the amount got cleared. Clear? So now all of you know that to prepare the interest account and depreciation account. Correct? So this is one of the easiest part of this hire purchase system, where you can easily post it. So if it is in the more car account, if it is in the credit side, in depreciation account it is debit side. If interest in the more on that vendor account, if the interest is in the credit side, here it should be debited. So let us go towards the depreciation account. So usually depreciation will be paid on the year end. So on the debit column side, 31st/12/2015 to car account 63,000. Same date by P&L account 63,000. So next year ending 31st 12 2016, 2 car account 56,700. 31st 12 2016 by P&L account 56,700. 31st 12 2017, 2 car account 51,030. 31st 12 2017 by P&L account 51,030. So we are done with the depreciation account for 3 years. So now I am moving on towards the interest account. So let us look at the interest account part. Again, if interest account is credited in the higher vendor account, so obviously here it should be debited. So on 31st 12 2015, to higher vendor account 43,200 first year interest. 31st 12 2015 by P&L account 43,200. 31st 12 2016 to higher vendor account 28,300. 31st 12 2016 by P&L account 28,800. So 31st 12 2017 to higher vendor account 14,400. 31st 12 2017 by P&L account 14,400. So this is the problem. So as he has asked for only 3 years, so we are done with the problem with a 3 years solution. So practice, take down the problem, write it down, then start doing yourself. Okay, so now I'm stop here, so I'll be stopping here. We will continue in the next session. So until then, take care, bye bye, see you soon.